So now let's see how we can work around with curves adjustments inside of CapCut desktop editor. So to work around with curves, you need to go around and select out a video footage right here. Then you need to go around under the adjustment tab right here. Once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. You can see that I got the curve option where you have the option to adjust out the brightness, red, green, and blue channels right here as well. So if I were to go around under brightness, you can see that there's two dots. And if I were to drag this up, you can see that the dark areas gets brighter right here. But if I were to go around and click and drag this down, then the bright areas get darker. So what happens is that the upper part right here controls out the highlights while the lower parts control out the shadows. So you can have a middle ground. So you can click on this and then it adjusts out the middle ground, as you can see right here. While the bright and dark part remains as it is, you can control out the middle level of brightness right here for the average range. Now you can go around and click on another area right here and bring down only the shadows, control only the shadows of the videos. And similarly, you can control only the sky areas, as you can see right here, and adjust it out according to how you want in the brightness area. If you were to right click, then you can simply remove out the curve, as you can see, and you can pull this up right here and make adjustment as you like right here. You can also go around, utilize the color picker, and then click on it, and then you get to add a particular area, as you can see, for that particular area right here, and it affects it adds in a point to that particular area, as you can see right here. So you can control out the brightness level of that particular range right here. You can go around and scroll down and you can see red over here. So you can go around and click and drag this out to increase out only the red or decrease it out and remove the red altogether. So you can simply go around and make the shadows more red right here, and maybe from the skies you want to remove the red. So that is how you can work as well. Similarly for the green over here, so let's say if I want to increase the level of greens, you can go around and increase it out and adjust it out according to how you want right here. So let's say for the shadow areas, I don't want much green. For the blues, you can go around and add in points over here as well, just like this. And then you can drag this out right here. And this is what you have, as you can see. And this is the end result, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around and bring in another video clip right here, and then you can click on this video clip and click on apply to all, and the same effect gets applied right here as well. And you can see that this is how you can color correct out your video footages as well, or you can do color correct out your image as well, just like this inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.